This might be the best budget e-scooter you can buy in Australia. It's called the Mearth S, and let me guide you through a quick unboxing and overview. Getting it out the box is very simple, but let's move on to assembly. In this box you get everything you need: scooter handlebars, the charger and the wall plug, an air pump tube and an Allen key, and finally the instructions. Fitting the brakes on are very simple and just uses the included Allen key, and the handlebars just twist right on. Folding the scooter is also very easy. Move the safety clip, push the pin down and fold. There's a single disc brake in the back that lights up when you press it, and if that's not enough, there's an emergency foot brake. It also has an easy to use loud bell. Now let's talk about the specs. The Mearth S is only 12.5 kilos and easy to carry. Let's take it for a quick ride and see how it goes. The motor is 350 watts but has a 750 watt burst mode. This takes you 15 to 25 kilometers depending on the mode, and goes 25 kilometers an hour. It even has cruise control and can carry up to 100 kilos. And the crazy thing is, this thing can charge from 0 to 100 in 3 to 4 hours. So it's perfect for on-the-go use. It's got 8.5-inch wheels and the brakes work great.